Hello, my name is Rodney McClung. Today we will demonstrate our Capsaver press, the Cap-5. The Capsaver press is an ideal tool for any shop doing volume amount of cores, small format cores per month. It's very fast, very efficient, and does a quality job. You would load your core as you would any core with your pin stacks, slide it into the housing, the holding block of the Cap-5 with our brass strip. Each brass strip will allow you to do 4 7-pin cores or 28 caps per strip. Slide your springs in from the top holes, slide the brass strip into the die assembly and firmly press through the brass, seating the caps in the core for a quality professional job every time.